Hi, I'm Frank Itz, and I'm here at my law office in downtown Orlando in my library where I get a lot of my work done. I'm here to answer the question, what is my auto accident case worth? It's unbelievable. I hear people go visit with lawyers and the lawyer tells them on the first day they meet them what their case is worth. They're not telling you the truth. They're actually lying to you because you do not know what the case is worth till the end of the file. And how do you determine what your case is worth is what I call out-of-pockets. Out-of-pockets are, what do you owe in medical bills and what do you owe in lost wages? Those are the drivers of your case. If you went to the doctor and you have $3,000 in out-of-pockets from the past, but what a lot of lawyers don't do is get an opinion from the doctor on what the future holds. You want the treating physician to say, it's going to be $1,500 a month for 6 more months. He's going to need a surgery. So it's not just the past medical bills, it's the future. Number 2, your wages. If you're working at Walmart and you miss 4 weeks and you make $100 a week, it's a $400 claim. But what about the future? What if you're a welder, you had surgery, and you have restrictions and you can't work to the age of 65 and you're 55 years old? Well, that's 10 years of whatever you make a year. You will not know that till the end of the case. Recently, yesterday, I just went through a file, and here were the things that came up in this case that I thought might be interesting. Permanency and the loss of function. The client was telling me that he couldn't move certain parts of his body. He loved to fish. He couldn't fish anymore. He couldn't cast. He couldn't go fishing by himself. He couldn't put the boat in the water. So the loss of function in that case is what I argued the most to the insurance company, and it's a case-by-case analysis on what happens. Number 2, scarring. My client had surgery. He had a horrible scar. Just think it was a female and it was on her face or to her legs. Each of these things the lawyer has to look at, and you don't know the scarring value till 6 months later when maybe plastic surgeons looked at it. So it's impossible to tell you what your case is worth in the beginning. In the first 30 to 45 days, I find out the insurance. We look at the vehicle. In this case, was alcohol a factor? Yes, it was. The guy that hit my client got a DUI. That's called aggravating liability, and it increases the value of the case 2-3 times. So if you've been in an auto accident and you need some honest opinions on what to do, where to go, and how to handle your case, give me a call or visit my website, frankitson.com. Thank you so much.